You're open every day but Monday.
Open every day but Monday.
What better be in your display case, or people are going to be like, come on, this is what I came for. What has to be there every day?
What has to be there every day? Cinnamon rolls has to be there every day.
Cinnamon rolls?
Scones has to be there every
Scones.
day. Our croissants
Nice.
has to be there every day. The rest of the other stuff, I mean, we do a lot of boxes for people to bring to school or to gift to someone.
Yeah.
And so we do a lot of those. So we try to keep like a nice variety of things out there. Our ubi brownies usually get sold out really quickly. So we want to make sure that we have those in stock.
There's a little sign that explains what that is.
Yes.
And the importance it is in the Philippines.
Yes.
And our audio person is Gail, who walked in and was like, she goes to Hawaii every year. She
Yes.
knew exactly what it was excited with the fact that you're using that.
Yes.
I had never heard of it before.
You
So
have
the
to try
taste
some
of it,
today.
the taste of it, I need to get a taste.
Absolutely.
Just,
We're aiming for always providing good taste.
yeah.
Some product that tastes good, product that you really can't find anywhere else, you know, within the 10-mile radius, which I think we've done that.
How many people does it take to run this operation for you?
Ideally, it would be me and 2 other bakers, and then 2 people in the front. So 5 people
Yeah.
to run it really well. I have my kids here today because we're preparing for the market. So you can see there's more of us here because
There are.
they're making bagels over there. We're going to be making cinnamon rolls. We're doing scones. Before you guys came, we were forming bagels, and it's always a teaching thing here.
Yeah.
Because when they're
You have
coming,
a young crew.
I have a very young crew,
Yeah.
but their hearts are so big.
Nice.
Yes.
And they can bake, can't they?
And they can bake. They can bake. Now they can. When they started here, I was like, oh.
Help me.